Here's how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Now open up the Facebook app either on your iPhone or your Android. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on either device because it works a little bit differently. Now if you don't want professional mode anymore, the first thing that you need to do is tap on the profile next to what's on your mind at the top left. So I'm going to tap on that on my iPhone and Android. And the next thing you'll be able to see right under my bio is digital creator, indicating I have professional mode. To turn it off, tap on the three dots at the top right on your iPhone, or on Android, it'll be the circle with the three dots at the top right. From here, you can see turn off pro mode or professional mode. Tap on that, and then tap on continue here. And just tap on turn off. After you've done that, it will disable professional mode, and then you can review everything and set your account back to being private if you want to. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.